Hey lovelies, welcome back. Today I have for you sort of a haul, if you will, a small haul from Colourpop and Milani. So today I've got the Colourpop highlighter in Champagne Bubbles. This legit gives me Marc Jacobs vibes. Does it not? Like the packaging, that Omega limited edition glazed highlighter, and it looks like this. Swatch. Very, very beautiful. I also got the liquid highlighter in that, a no filter concealer from them, and I also got the BeckyG collection. So we've got, I think this is a bronzer, we've got the palette, I've got the lip, I've got P. Louise base. So if you are ready to get ready with me, then let's just go ahead and get started. I'm going to prime the face with I'm going to go in with this First Aid Beauty Hyaluronic Acid Primer. This looks pretty good. So I wonder what I should do first, the face or the eyes? Probably the eyes. I have not even seen this BeckyG collection. And what I got from Milani, I guess I'll do in another video, like a first impressions of all new Milani items, because they have new highlighters and eyeshadow palettes and all that. But I do have something from Milani. It's called the Stay Put Brow Shaping Gel. 16-hour wear, and I got mine in soft brunette. Just want to see. I already have my brow set too. I didn't remember what I got from here, but it comes like this. Sort of a larger wand here. It looks pretty good though. Fills in sparseness really well, as you saw. That looks pretty good. I got a little bit happy there. Right. Interesting. So that's pretty good. You know, first impressions, I don't know about the staying power of that. But I want to use my L'Oreal Infallible Shade 425 Fresh Wear Foundation. I'm going to put that on. Alright, already I feel so much better with the foundation on. So here's the P. Louise base. I got it in shade 2. And they say you only need like the smallest amount of this. I'm so happy to have got this. Okay. It feels really, really nice and soft, kind of velvety. Like very thick, as though these shadows are really going to stick to my eyes. Alright, I've let that set down. I think it's ready to be, used. But guys, here's the BeckyG palette. I did not realize it was all mattes, so I'm going to save this for another video. And I'm going to go in with the Milani Gilded Nude palette. This looks really, really promising. This looks ultra beautiful. It's got a lot of shimmers in there and mattes, and I can't wait to use this. So this was part of what I picked up from Milani, but I also got the pressed powder bronzer from BeckyG. And so let's do an eye look using the Milani Gilded Nude. Obviously it's brand new. I got a couple of palettes. I got 4 palettes. Not like this. They're different. They're longer. But anyway, this is the palette that I got, so I will use it. And I think there's a lot of good shades here. Oh, there's Weekender, which reminds me of I'm just going to use that as a brow bone color. It reminds me of Urban Decay Born to Run. It's a really nice brow bone shade. I'm going to go into Do Not Disturb right here as our transition shade. It feels like I should have set my eyes, but it's not tugging, and the shadow is going on very evenly. I mean, I have no issues there. None whatsoever. These shadows, this shadow and the other one, are performing very well. Smooth, no patchiness. I really, really like it so far. I'm just going to build up this transition shade. Next I'm going with the shade Hit Snooze, and this is a very nice burgundy type shade. I love this. This one was a bit patchy on this eye, but it looks fine on this one. Must have been, the pressure of my hand, whatnot. And I'm just going on the lower lash line and duplicating what I'm doing for the top lid. on my lower lash line, doing the same exact thing. And then I think I'm going to go back into that transition shade I used first and add that in since I blended it away. Alright, what I did for this eye, I went in ahead with 75 and Sunny, which is a really nice gold shade. Placed that down, and over top I placed this Detox shade. And I'll swatch it for you so you can see sort of what it looks like. It's really, really cool. And then this shade is this shade. So look at, I love the way those look. This is really like a duochrome shade. It's really impressive. I really like that a lot. So now I'm going with the CoverGirl Uncensored. This is a new mascara. This gives a lot of length and volume to the lashes. I really like it a lot. It's a one and done kind of mascara. See all the length and volume it gives just off of one simple coat. Alrighty. I'm going to go put on false lashes, and then we're going to do concealer and finish up the face. Alrighty, and now I'm going to conceal this eye. What I do is I just tap maybe 3 taps like this, and then I'm going to take a brush, and I just sort of tap that out, going where I need to cover up, you know, under eye circles, but I never take it up to my lash line anymore because I don't want it to settle into that fold that we all have. And then, now that that's done, this is a better match for me. This shade, Light 16, it matches me much better than all the other ones that I've tried. So to set that area, I just take this large fluffy brush. It's actually a contour brush from Sephora, and I take my Wet n Wild Reserve Your Cabana, and I lightly set under there just with the lightest amount of powder. And now I'm going to put some mascara on. I went in with the Benefit Roller Lash on the other side. I just think this does a really good job lengthening and separating the lower lashes without causing a huge mess. I really like it a lot. Alright, so now we're going to want to bronze the face with the BeckyG. What shade did I get? Pressed Powder Bronzer. Here's what the component looks like. I got LA. It says LA on the back. It's really, really cute. So it comes like this. It comes with a mirror. How cute. I'm going to take my BK Beauty 104 brush and just test the waters here and see how bronzy this really is. Looks like a great shade so far. Just bronzing the cheeks. This is a really nice shade. I mean, it's warm, but it's not orange or too red. I think this is the right shade for me. Looks really, really, really good. For blush, I'm just going in with the classic NARS Orgasm. It's a favorite. You can't go wrong with it. Beautiful. Same BK brush that I was using before. I'm just going to take it from the middle of my pupil up and back because that is what I saw somewhere. So I'm going to follow that rule. We all know I get a little too blush happy. A little bit over the nose, on the temples, chin. There we are. Alright, now to do the highlight part. Here's the liquid. So we're supposed to do the liquid first. Okay, I'm kind of scared because I saw someone else do this and it looked really kind of patchy. So I'm going to take the component and I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger and just put it here. And take a beauty blender and spread it out really, really fast. And same thing up here. Okay, I mean, it's there. I just don't want to overdo it, you know what I'm saying? Do that. It dries really, really fast. So you've got to work super quick. But when you do, it's super quick. I really like the tone of this. It's really pretty. It's not too blinding in your face. eyes. I feel like it gives just the right amount of highlight to come off. By the way, I didn't go in with false lashes. All I did was a coat of mascara because I just don't feel like going with lashes. And now for the finale, besides the lips, is the big champagne bubbly highlight to go over top. So cool. This also has a protector, mirror protector, and you can obviously take it off if you want to. And wow, the mirror is huge on this. So let's get into it. This looks like a very nice gold shade. It's really, really nice. It's not too dark either. It looks dark in the pan, but when put on the face, definitely doesn't look too dark. It's really very beautiful. I mean, it's not over the top blinding, and this smells good, like citrus. It smells really, really good. Ooh, I just want to eat it. That smells delicious. Wow. I just want to keep smelling it. I can't put, or like a cleaner of some sort, I can't put my finger on really what it is, but it smells super good. I'm going to take a little bit on the pinky, put that on my inner corner. That is gorgeous. Stunning. I love that. Now I wonder for the lip if I need a lip liner or not. Here's what it looks like. It looks really great. It's an ultra satin lip in the shade Miha. So it looks like this. Looks like a nice nude. Nice pinky peachy nude. Beautiful. That is stunning. I did end up going with a false lash. These are the Alter Ego Amor lashes. That just means love in Spanish. I have to put a gloss on over this. I'm going to put on the Prismatic Peach Milani Keep It Full right in the center. I feel like that really makes a difference, and I really like this look. So I'm very impressed with the Colourpop highlighter. I really like it. I think it can be built up to be blinding. I mean, let's be real. This is very intense. And on the swatches, yeah, it's really, really nice. I love the lip from the BeckyG collection. I'm sorry I didn't do the eyeshadow palette. I will reserve that for another day. I love the LA bronzer. It looks really, really beautiful. I have no complaints. The Milani palette, I think the eye look came out really, really pretty. Yeah, and the Milani brow setter, all was well. And I just really like the makeup today. What do you guys think? Are you going to be picking up the Colourpop highlighter collection? Anything from Milani? We've got some new Milani highlighter. Like I said, new palettes. I've got a whole bunch of stuff from Milani that I need to review. That will be my next task. I love the P. Louise base. It really works wonders, actually. And I'm loving my makeup today. What do you guys think? I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Ring the bell. I love you all so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.